To the show, guys. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be going through a few tweaks, iOS 14 tweaks. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it. Great. So the first tweak is actually not a tweak. It's a tweak called Tweak Settings. What it does, it adds an app where it puts all your tweaks in one place, so you don't have to go to your settings all the time. All those settings. Go back to your settings. Tap on tweaks, all that. It just puts an app on your home screen. So when you tap on it, it opens up all your tweaks. You can access them. You can change whatever you want to change. And I think it comes in handy so much. I really like the tweak. So you guys make sure to get that tweak. So the second tweak is called Pencil Banner. And this is also a really nice and beautiful tweak. What it does is that it redesigns the toast banners that pop up when you do stuff on iOS 13 and 14. For example, you can see on the customization settings, you have a whole lot of options. Check the selection. You can see where you can select when you want the banner to pop up. So I have mine to show up when I charge my phone. Let me just connect it. It says charging. When I unplug it, it says not charging. So I like it when it does that. When I turn on do not disturb mode, it brings the banner again. When I turn it off, when I turn on low power mode, when I turn it off, it's really beautiful. I think you guys should try it. So that's Pencil Banner. It is Pencil Banner. The next tweak is called Violet. I really like this tweak. What it does is that it works similar to the iOS 12 tweak called Artsy. And it adds the now playing album art to specific places. Like, for example, I set mine to show on the music module in the control center. You can make it show up on the now playing view, stuff like that. Whatever you want to, you can, and it's compatible with the Apple Music app, Spotify, all that kind of apps. You can add apps that you want it to be compatible with, but I only use Apple Music and Spotify for it. So make sure you get this tweak. That's velvet. Now on to the next tweak is another tweak, a very powerful tweak called Orion. Now what this tweak does, it acts like Springtomize 5, but it has 1,000 more options to customize. For example, if you just go into just one section, the app switcher, you turn on the app switcher. There's a whole lot of customization settings for just the app switcher. If I go to the home screen, tap on folders, there's a whole lot of stuff you can customize. And you can, not just that, you can customize literally any part of your phone, even the CPU. Look at that. This tweak is absolutely crazy. What it does is that it combines the purposes of 100+ tweaks to enable you to customize anything you want on your phone. So for example, now I want to customize my music app. I like listening to music. Just make it pop up here. It's right there. You know what I'm saying? So you're able to go get this music. I had to hide my grabber on. It's off over there. I don't like that grabber. I also don't like the album shadow. You know what I'm saying? So when you're done, press the top right, close it, then reopen it. It's gonna have everything you put into it. Let's just open and see it. There you go. I put 4 columns on my music player, and it's actually showing. So that's Orion. Make sure you guys go get this tweak. There's absolutely 100 ways you can customize your phone using Orion, called Floating Dock Plus 1314. So this is a very powerful tweak. I love this tweak so much. You can say it changes. What it does is that it changes the appearance of your dock. Your dock is no longer edge to edge, it's just a circular floating dock with the option to show you your recent apps. You can see on the left and on the right. On the left and right, I have the TWEAKS settings app and the settings app. You know what I'm saying? That's the two most recent apps that I have on my phone right now, that I'm using on my phone, that I had open just now. Another really great use for this tweak is that it allows you to invoke the dock and bring it inside when you're inside any app. Now, another really cool feature of this tweak that's floating dock 1314 plus is that it allows you to multitask. You can open two apps at the same time. For example, let's open the TWEAKS settings app again. Open up all our tweaks. Let's invoke the dock using the floating dock plus 1314 tweak by swiping up from the bottom left. By doing that, we invoke our dock and we bring it up inside any app. Now, if you want to multitask and open two apps at the same time, you have to be inside the first app, obviously. The second app, you have to open from the dock. Now you just press and hold on any app you want to open that's already on the dock. For example, let's open music. So I'm gonna press and hold on the music icon and I'm gonna drag it out into the screen. Now I can put it on the side like this, or on this side. It's gonna split the screen. Now, as you can see, I'm inside my music app. I can check out my music. I can play some. You know what I'm saying? I can open up music. You know what I'm saying? I can still scroll the settings app. Settings app.
Smoking on gas, got me too lit, too lit. Look at my bitch, make me too pretty. Ice on my wrist, bitch, me too chilly.
So I'm gonna enlarge the first app. So I'm gonna enlarge the second app. That's so cool. Anyway, so I want to close it. I have this little grabber up here so that you guys can see it. That's how you do it. That's literally how you do it. This app is so convenient. You guys should just get it. And I forgot to mention that it doesn't only work with split view. You can directly put the second app on top of the first app. So let me open up music again, and I'm gonna just drag it the same way. Press and hold, drag it onto the springboard like this, then let go. Now I have a whole ass app working on top of another app, and that's floating dock 13 plus 1314. You guys should really get that tweak. Big shout out to the developer. This is such an awesome tweak. You know what I'm saying? Y'all go get my nigga music, by the way. New album on the way. Some unreleased. I should even be playing this right now. But anyway, go get it. Go get it. As you can see, I'm inside an app. Inside an app. And I can open more than one app. If I have it floating like this, I can open another app and swipe it away like this. Now it's gone. I can bring it back like that. I can open another app. Let me open up.
Hey, that shit loud, bro.
Shawty say I'm fly, just like Peter Pan. But I can't say no hoe, I ain't Superman. Water on me, I feel like Aquaman. Ain't talking bands, I don't give a damn. Shawty say I'm fly, just like Peter Pan. I can say no hoe, I ain't Superman. Water on me, I feel like Aquaman. Ain't talking bands, I don't give a damn. Fuck with the game, you a dead man.
On one iPhone.
Try to ride, we gon' let it bang. Ride with my shooter, call him Iron Man. I'm in the trap with the whole clan. We riding out, it's a caravan.
Anyway, the next tweak on the list is called Battery Buddy. and all it does is make your battery icon look cute according to the developer. So all it does is adds the little smiley face on your battery icon and gets rid of the percentage number on the status bar. So if you turn it on, if you turn, for example, let me turn off low power mode, you can see it looks pretty good. It's green. It has that little plug icon to show that it's charging. If I disconnect it from the charger, you can see the little plug icon is gone. But if I connect it again, it immediately goes into low power mode, starts charging, and the charging icon comes up. So I think that's really handy. I like if you're a details person like me, go get this tweak battery buddy just for you, and it's completely free. So get the app from this developer. It's called Love Litten, Litten's Wonder Cafe. Go get a tweak. Appreciate you. On to the next one. This one is called Playtopia 2, and it's a music tweak. And all it does is that it makes the music player available anywhere, inside any app. Anything you're doing, you can access your music. So this tweak really comes in handy. This is how it looks. If you're playing music, let me play some music.
Yeah, nigga stuck to the master plan. Come get your bitch, fuck with it.
And it's integrated with any app you choose. You can play next. You know what I'm saying?
Gang. Savage. Ooh. Savage. Tell them I'm gonna go in. Yeah. I'm a gang, no suwu. Took your bitch, she love the group.
A different song. Or a different song. And it's going to completely integrate with what I'm doing.
Yeah. Motherfucking savage, nigga.
I'm savage.
Pussy niggas hating, man.
Pussy nigga.
Why? Bitch. Nigga, I'm just tryna get them bank notes. I'm just tryna get a bank, bro. Nigga, I'm just tryna get them bank notes. Cop a speedboat with these bank notes. I wanna eat your pussy, but that shit's bank ho. Bank notes, tryna get these bank notes. Finna run my fucking hands through them bank notes.
So that's really useful tweak. If you don't like going back to your music app every now and then to change the next song, that tweak is for you. That's Playtopia 2 by Jinsu. Shout out to you, Jinsu. Alright, gang. The next tweak I have for you guys is called Kill X Pro. Now, all this app does is that it enables you to close all your open apps from the app switcher. It enables you to close them all at once. So I don't think I have any apps open right now. Just have my settings app and my photos app. So let me just open a bunch of random apps so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. Notes. You open up what else? Help. I barely ever opened that app. Yep, it said welcome to the what? I don't give a fuck about that. App Store. Alright. So when I open up my app switcher, I have all these apps open. Instead of swiping up on each and every app, I can just tap on this X button below the cards to close them all at once. And that's it. That's Kill X Pro. Now this tweak will, if you have music playing, it will not close the app that's playing music. For example, when you play some music, turn down the volume.
These bank notes. Bitch, I'm that nigga, I feel like Master P. Pull up on your ass, you know I'm packing heat. Everything I do, man, that's a masterpiece. Niggas looking for the key, I got the master key. Nigga, please, I don't speak no broken knee.
really love this tweak. You guys should go and get it. That's TWEAKS Pro. Totally free. Go get it. Okay, up next we have Insta Launcher 2. Now this is another perfect tweak. This is another of my top 5 tweaks that make me jailbreak my phone under any circumstances. I don't care if I have to use check rain, if I gotta use uncover, I don't really care. But this is one of the tweaks that make me do it. So what this tweak does, what this tweak does is that it enables you to open any app from anywhere on your phone by adding this little launcher on any side of the screen. So on my phone I have it on the right side, if you can see it. So I just have to swipe a little bit to the left from the right side. It's going to bring up every single app I have installed on this phone, and it's going to list them alphabetically. Now for these tweaks that are already popping up for the apps that are showing up over here, these are my most favorite apps that I have set. You can see here, favorite apps. I have tweak settings, Cydia settings, Safari, music, and Twitter. And you can see they're perfectly aligned. Tweak settings, Cydia settings, Safari, music app, and Twitter. And I can rearrange them like that. So if I bring Twitter from the bottom to the top, when I open the Insta Launcher, Twitter's at the top. You don't have to respring to make the changes. So I really love this tweak. For example, when I'm playing a game like Call of Duty and I get a message, I don't have to swipe up from the notification center to see the tweak, to see the notification. If I get a notification from Instagram or from Messages app and I'm gaming, I just swipe left from the right and I go to the Messages app or whatever app that sent me the notification. I can just open it, and it also supports badges. So if you have notifications from a certain app, you can tell from this launcher, and I think that's absolutely awesome. I love this tweak so much. So you guys make sure you go get it. That's Insta Launcher 2 for iOS 14 and 13, probably 15. Go get it. Okay, let's keep it moving. So the next tweak I got for you guys is called Shortmoji. Where the fuck is it? Shortmoji. Alright. So this is a tweak that it adds shortcuts to your keyboard. A whole bunch of shortcuts. There's a whole bunch of customization that I can even show you in one video. This tweak is absolutely crazy. It's like a combination of most keyboard tweaks all in one tweak. Most fonts tweaks all in this tweak. Most dark tweaks all in this tweak. But I like it because it adds the basic shortcuts that I want to have on my keyboard. That is the copy, cut, paste, select all, those the usuals. So let me show you guys. Excuse me. So you can see at the bottom of my keyboard, I have all these options. The first one is copy. You can see the toast. For example, let me type a whole bunch of nonsense. I can literally copy that. I can cut, can paste it, can select it all, then I can go back and copy it, or I can cut it, then I can paste it again. You know what I'm saying? This tweak is crazy. Like I can put that and I can type a whole bunch of nonsense again, then I can put it all in caps. You know what I'm saying? Like this tweak is crazy. So y'all just go get it. There's a whole bunch of stuff you guys can customize. There's even themes. You can disable it in certain apps. There's even numbers. different fonts. I can't even show you right now because I'm gonna just lose track of time and this video will be too long. But that's Shortmoji. You guys should install it and see all its capabilities. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love this tweak. It's absolutely insane and so handy. So go get this tweak. It's called Shortmoji for iOS 14. Next up is a tweak called Pass By. This tweak is really handy and I really love this tweak. What it does is that it deactivates your passcode when you're in certain locations. So for example, my passcode is currently deactivated because I'm at home, and I set the tweak to deactivate my passcode when I connect to my house's Wi-Fi. So I'm at home, my phone is connected to Wi-Fi, and Pass By recognizes that, so it knows I'm home, so it deactivates my passcode. So every time I lock my screen, I don't have to put in my passcode every time I'm trying to unlock my phone. So that's just one example. Deactivates the passcode when you're connected to certain Wi-Fi's. You can see here on the tweaks, on the customization settings. I can show you my Wi-Fi's, but I don't have any right now because of privacy reasons. I can show you, it's going to show you my IP address, so I have that hidden. But I can show you my devices list. I can show you that as well because it's going to show you my location. But anyway, this is a tweak that really comes in handy if you're always unlocking your phone, or you're in the house, or when you have your earphones connected, or when you're using your mobile data. There's so much customizations to use with this tweak, so I highly recommend Pass By for iOS 14. It just got recently updated to support iOS 14.4.2, so I'm pretty sure most of you guys can use it. So that's Pass By.